this video, we're going to discuss the relationship between infinitives and participles. So the rule is that in English, a verb has to have a subject. So here you have a verb like, and your subject is I. But sometimes in a sentence, you have two verbs. So here you have a second verb, go. And because I is the subject of like, it can't be the subject of go. So we need to put go into the infinitive. I would like to go. So in this case, I would like to go to Korea. To go here means that I haven't done it yet. So if the relationship between the second verb and the first verb is that it's an incomplete action, I wanted to do something or I'd like to do something, I haven't done it, then you would use the infinitive. However, in this sentence, I like going to China. This means I've been to China, I enjoyed going to China, and so there's no time difference between the first verb and the second verb, and so you use it participle, ing in this case. So there are a number of verbs, plan, try, attempt, hope, that indicate incompleted action. You plan to do something, it doesn't mean you've done it. You try to do something, it doesn't mean you did it. So that in these verbs, they tend to use the infinitive. Here, I tried to eat dinner. Now, this indicates that that you tried doing it, but you didn't do it. But here, you can test it. You can say, I tried to eat dinner, but I couldn't. So it means you didn't do it. I tried eating dinner, but I couldn't. Also works here. So in this case, this may be an exception to the rule. You can either use participle or infinitive, and they mean pretty much the same thing. That should be a little confusing to you. This is a fairly difficult rule to learn, and you just have to gain a sense in your writing as to when you use the infinitive, when you use the participle. But in both cases, you have to change the form of the second verb because it has no subject.